With Oklahoma football just around the corner, we've got a tailgating trailer here just in time for the season. This custom 36-foot tailgating toy hauler is heading to Oklahoma soon to its new home. This is one of 2 tailgating toy haulers that we've built so far, and each time it gets better. We've got a 16-foot side patio here that opens up with the push of a button using a remote-controlled winch. This trailer is outfitted in our smooth fiberglass siding, and it also has the I-beam skirting trim below. We've got a TV pre-wire here up front. We're going to mount a big TV right there. And then we have a huge 21-foot awning here covering the 16-foot side patio. A second TV pre-wire there. And as we walk up these stairs and look straight ahead towards our slide out, there's space here for 3 50-inch TVs that will be mounted. These tailgating trailers sure are special. There's so much room in here to move around. Another TV pre-wire back here in the rear, a rear patio with an additional set of steps. So on the driver's side, we have a TV pre-wire as well. An awning above the patio back here. A huge bank of lower cabinets in this slide out with lots of storage. Nice amount of countertop space for all your food and beverages. Here in the kitchen, you've got storage above, another large base cabinet here, a 2-burner cooktop just in case you need to heat something up, a single basin sink with a nice pull down wand. You got your generator start and stop right here, battery and tank monitor. We do have 3 air conditioners on this trailer, a 10 cubic foot fridge freezer here, runs on 12 volt. If you've looked at our website, this is our CF floor plan. We've got a bathroom here up in the corner with a shower, vanity with some storage here below. And then we have a porcelain toilet along with a closet here that will most likely be used for brooms or vacuums and storing things. We've got custom kicker speakers throughout with the red lights. You got 2 here. There's another 2. That's 4, 6, 8 interior speakers. And then, of course, 2 exterior ones. LED puck lights upgraded throughout, giving this trailer a really, really nice look. Upgraded steps going out this entry door here. We've also got 6 Euro recliners. So these can be placed anywhere around the trailer to suit your liking. We've got an LED color changing light strip that's currently lit up in red. Obviously Oklahoma colors. You saw it earlier, but this winch is super handy to raise and lower the side ramp door, given that it's so long. Up front, we've got an electric tongue jack, 2 6-volt batteries. We've got a 5,500 watt Onan generator. Again, a 13-foot slide here with an awning topper. We've got a cable hatch pass-through here, a 30-gallon fuel tank, and a ladder to take you to the roof. So there you have it, folks. Another successful tailgating trailer here. Can't wait for our customers to enjoy it. Reach out to us anytime. We can build you any kind of trailer you want, whether it be for camping, tailgating, or full-time living. DM us, send us an email, or give us a call. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.